and it's my cousin's 21st birthday. Just waiting for Aussie to get ready. He just got home from work. Welcome back, SV squad, to another video. So I just finished at the farmer's market. I'm super tired. Like, I'm so bloody tired. I am on call this weekend for work, and then I had a call yesterday, and then he told me he was going to call me early in the morning. And so I didn't sleep right because I expected a call early in the morning and I didn't want to sleep through it. So I was like, wasn't ever fully asleep. Just kept waking up, checking the phone, and I'm like, oh my gosh. And guess what? He didn't even call. What a busy weekend this weekend, and it's my cousin's 21st birthday. I'm about to go home, put my veggies and stuff away, and then wait for this dang call. Aussie's at work and he doesn't finish until later in the afternoon. I haven't even thought about anything to wear to the birthday, and just work. So I've been home for about a while now, maybe an hour, just been packing away my fruits, and I'm about to blend some of my celery juice. Well, it's gonna be a smoothie, but I squeeze the juice out of it using a nut milk bag. It's just a guysy baby, you know, like guys and baby, like guysy baby. Anyway, I am just waiting for Aussie to get ready. He just got home from work. Then we'll be heading off to my cousin's 21st birthday party. I was gonna wear a dress, but it's too cold to wear a dress. Just feel like season for dresses is just not on right now. Why do I look so pale?
I just finished work, guys, so we're going to the birthday. I think I should stay home because I'm tired, but she wants me to come with her. So
yeah, because this is a family thing. It's like a big 21st event for my family. You need to be there. So we're just going to the shop to get some money out.
Because we didn't bought any gift, so this is our gift. Girl, you better use this gift. This is the good gift for you. I know you want money. You don't want a gift. You want money. I know you want money, girl. I know you like this present. So put it in your wallet, do your nail, your pedicure, your eyebrow.
Anyways, he's been hanging out with me too much. Hi! So happy birthday to Sia.
Happy birthday, Sia! I wish you a very happy birthday.
Sunny, come on!
Happy birthday.
Wow, guys, look at the food. Hello, ladies. Are you enjoying your food?
Happy birthday.
Aw, thank you. Happy birthday to Sia. Happy birthday. They were very generous with the food. One big supper per person. We have chow mein, salaki pakeka, one whole fish. I think that's a snapper or something.
Wala ka na si Ibi nga may pagkayot pa rin.
kausa mai kele wo au yeino pa kai ko yo aina wo o mai le ngia fia au wala wan silvi ina ma pa tai le ni tula pa tai tele la pai ta to ai ni pot mai ko ile ni tula ile aspana ko yo la fine sia ia wa ilo lava ulo tina ile se tanga tama peta i o manini tai la mona le fanga tia o na tele ni tau sanga o to ia te oi tai o se tini o sta tele ia ma o e wi lava tele o taimi e o te le wal hospital si la mo tau sanga le fo ile fasi ia te oi te ngala mana e matua e sasa lava o pulum o tele tato pulum wangau ia te
dia de tua dia o pe masani ai se mea ile lei na mana ia se ainga ai ma futa fa o me nei mo meu fa na ki le fa tu le ma fo fau o le ta mama le tina o le u tua wa mea uma ile lei o le ua ia e le koe whaia ni Sia'S whanga mo lea e ma kua umaha au hia umai ni mea e ma kua whaai doa ua i ngea fia ua loni maka e mani pati kiki lea o le ino ki ngā kumu lo loko o le whaku lo lo waru aina a o le na whai ni makana Dala foi lea e whakea o whaamau ianga no e uianga na kiki ai whakakani o le whai o waswa o lea ua whawa ia kwero ka mari ki lea o ki lea e le se ki o se saokonga o ki lea kwero ka mawai oi oiga o mar kai dinga mo masasa ai Fakinga purumu pe o mon mau kunga. Kai minge o fa so i ku. Wa ikanga ka makua. O fa kuar ma ko. Or sabe. E le nyo mo fu kasi e fa. Le ai se fu kasi o mer pan. O sabo. O lo ma fu kasi o ra fa pe poma. O ke fia ia ila le aso le asia. O ke fia ia ila so. O le ke de nga le o fa ra ki no fu kasi. Ai o ke manga o aso ra fa. Kana ia mo ia tele ha ia fai o ma fa kai kai ma yo so lo sky o fa maui ia mudi ma ia ki oi ia pipi ide o da makanga ma be uba ia ia de oi mo ia no mas fa Happy birthday to you Happy birthday to you Manuel
Katrine, it's your time to shut everybody. Happy birthday, happy 21st birthday, Sia. We love you so much. I hope you enjoy your day. May you live long, girl. May you do great things. May you finish everything, all the desires of your heart. May it be answered unto you, girl.
Guys, we just want to wish Sia a very happy birthday. Huh? Yeah? You want to say something?
No.
Okay. We just want to wish Sia a very happy birthday, don't we?
Yeah.
Happy 21st, Sia. Yeah.